Welcome to Scholars Tutorial, where every concept is simplified for smarter practice. Here's today's question. You can see a 3D stack of cubes with an arrow pointing downward, meaning we must identify how this figure looks from the top. These options shows different top views of the given block arrangement. Let's figure out which one correctly matches the 3D structure. The correct answer is option E. When viewed from top, each column of the cubes merges into a single visible square in the 2D layout. The front left cube from a cross-shaped arrangement, while the cube at the top right extends slightly outward. This complete pattern and number of cubes perfectly match in option E. The other option does not correctly align with the cube layout. Option A has 3 blocks missing that should be there, making it incorrect. Option B has 2 cubes missing on the left side that should be there. Option C shows view from different direction, which is completely invalid. Option D is missing 2 blocks, one on the left side and one at the top, making it incorrect. Option E shows the correct view in the direction of the arrow. With Scholars Tutorial, 3D visualization becomes easy. Keep practicing and sharpen your reasoning skills every day. Ace your academics with Shruti.ai. It's free.